Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll teach you how to make subscribe button animation using Capcut. To make a subscribe button animation for YouTube video using Capcut, all you need to do is go to your Google Chrome. Then once you come to Google Chrome, search for subscribe button. Subscribe button. Then once you come to this place, as you can see, you are seeing subscribe button already. Click on video. Then this second one, just 10 seconds, it's already a video. Click on this particular one here. Then look at it here. Once you hold, you can decide to click and hold on it to download. Then you click on download video. Now the video has been downloaded. Now we want to go back to our phone desktop. Then go to your Capcut. Once you open your Capcut app, you come to this interface and you see new project. Click on that plus icon. We want to bring the video that we just downloaded. As you can see, this is it here. Select the video that we just downloaded so we can upload it to Capcut so we can begin the edition. Wait for it to compress. Once it reach 100%, then it will be uploaded to your Capcut. Please don't skip any part of this video, and if you are finding it helpful already, please subscribe. Thank you. Then this is the video. Let me play it so you can see it. As you can see, it's beautiful, but we don't want the background sound. This green, we want to remove it. So how can we remove the green? Come down here, you will see remove BG. Click on this remove BG, that is remove background. Click on it. Then we have Capcut come with auto remover, but in using auto remover you must subscribe. That is, you must pay it because it's pro. So we don't want to use it because we are using Capcut for free. So because of that, we want to use this chroma key. So go ahead and select chroma key. And then here it is quite simple. You can see this green. Hold this cycle, then drag it. Once it turns black, you remove your hand. As you can see, this is what I'm telling you. This is what I'm saying. Then this intensity, drag it small, then you leave it. As you can see, it's just 34. Click the check mark. Then let's see what we got. As you can see, it's perfect. Let me play it so you can see it. Beautiful. Now there is no background. You can decide, you can now save the video. Then you upload it. Anytime you are posting any new video, you uploaded the video, this particular one, to any of your content, and that is how you can do it. Please, if you find this video helpful, click the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for being following.